The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is building big data capabilities, opportunities and challenges. Our guest speaker today is Srinivasan Govindaraj, Senior Director and Practice Head, Enterprise Information Management. He is Senior Director and Practice Head from Enterprise Information Management at Virtusa, a well-known information technology service provider with a global reach. He possesses more than 25 years of experience in business and technology consulting and building global practices in the field of business intelligence, analytics, and corporate performance management. He is a recognized thought leader in the field of big data and analytics and has held several leadership positions in large IT services companies. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Srini.
Thanks, Aradhana. Good evening, everyone. I'm very glad to meet all of you through this medium and share my thoughts on building big data capabilities, the opportunities and challenges. This is a presentation covering broadly the theme of competencies in big data and how one can develop that both from an enterprise and individual perspective. So I'm going to take about 45 minutes for my presentations and then open it up for your questions. So broadly, the agenda that I'm going to cover today is to provide an overview of big data to set the context. Most of you will have some preliminary understanding of what big data is all about. I'm just going to give you a quick recap of the basic ideas behind big data, why is it becoming prominent and so on. And then one of the questions that uppermost in the minds of many people is how does big data coexist with data warehousing and the traditional data management world. So I'm going to spend some time discussing about that and then get down into the trends and opportunities from big data, both from a market perspective and from a competency perspective. So then we will get down to the main topic of what we're going to discuss today, which is about the challenges in competency. So let me emphasize at the beginning that this is not a technology presentation, so I'm not going to get into details of what technologies you need to master. Rather, I'm going to give you a bird's eye view of the various kinds of technology components plus business insights that one need to have to manage a big data project. So with this overview, so let me get on to my presentation. So as I said, I'm going to start with a quick understanding of what big data is all about. So the first thing that we are all aware is that there's